chord inversions. So what on earth is an inversion? Well, an inversion describes the relationship of a chord's bass note to the other notes in the chord. For instance, a C major triad contains the tones C, E, and G. Its inversion is determined by which of these tones is the bottom note in the chord. In other words, it's a chord in which all the expected notes are there, but the ordering has been changed, so the root is no longer at the bottom. Here's a little graphic showing the same root, here, C, highlighted in red, but in different positions within C major triads. For three-note chords, triads, there are three possible positions, one for each possible bass note. The upper voices don't matter really. It's what is on the bottom that determines the inversion. In the first one, the C is on the bottom, what we expect for root position. In the second one, the C is elsewhere. Here, it happens to be the top, and E is on the bottom. When the third of the triad is on the bottom, we call it first inversion, since it's the first inversion you create when you move the root off of the bottom of the chord and flip it up to the top. If you change this first inversion chord again and move the third, here E, to the top, and then leave the fifth, G, in the bass, what we get is second inversion. This chord is shown on the right. Now let's hear and see each one individually. This is root position, which should be familiar to you from grades 3 and 4. Here is first inversion. You might feel like this chord sounds less rested or stable than the root position you just heard. Now let's hear second inversion. This one sounds even less stable.